Hi, it's Amelia here from Doxy.me. Let's take a quick look at personal rooms, your own dedicated space for meeting with patients. With a personal room, each provider has a private Doxy.me room with its own check-in link and session history, making it easy to keep visits organized. Sharing your personal room link is simple. Just open your dashboard, copy your room link, and share it with your patient. When the patient opens the link, they'll check in through their browser. No downloads or logins needed, and appear in your waiting room. Once they've checked in, click Start Video Call next to their name to begin the visit. If your clinic uses shared rooms, your personal room stays separate. With Transfer, patients can move between rooms or providers without needing a new link or having to check in again. From solo visits to multi-provider workflows, personal rooms give each provider a simple, consistent place to meet with patients.